Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. We're going to do brows today. These two brow products that I'm going to show you are amazing, and I found them on clearance a few months ago, and they're by Revolution, and it's called Relove. And I don't think I've ever used anything so good as these. They stay all day, they look natural. You've just got to try these. You do. And I found them on clearance. I bought them like for $1.50 each. And I don't know why, but if you go to Revolution, their Relove page, they're like $6 or something like that. You can't beat that. And so I want to show you how I use them, and I think you will absolutely love them, and it will change your brow game. Okay, you ready to see what they look like? Now, these still have the stickers on them, the clearance sticker. And I'm just going to tell you, one of them is the braid brow, and then this one is the power brow. Now, there are differences. This one I paid $1.25 for, and this one was $2. $2 now. But I'm going to take these out. One of them is a micro and one of them is a thicker one. Now I'm going to use both of them. I'm going to show you how to use both of them. And you just can't get any better than this. You just can't. Now, I did go to their website. I keep looking at this one. I did go to their website, and if you purchase them from there, they're $6 a piece. I mean, come on. This is the best brow you'll ever have, I promise you. And when I saw them in Walmart, I'm like, why are they discontinuing them? And that's the reason I purchased them, so that I could test it out and see if they were even worth anything. And girlfriend, it's all I use now. So I want you to try them out too. And I want to show you how I use them on my old 62-year-old brows. Now, the first product that I use to put on my eyebrows is by Anastasia. Now, it's not going to be the price point of the actual product we're going to use, but I do love this. This is just a clear brow gel, a brow freeze is what they call it. And I do love it. This is one of the minis. So if you go to Ulta, you don't have to buy the big one. Get the little mini one. It's two-sided brush. This is the one I use first, and then I flip it to the comb side. So basically, what I do is just comb through my brow. And the reason I do this is that I found that if I used a product like this, the product I put on will stay better. It will adhere to it, and it will just be there all day. You won't have to worry about it. So this is basically what I do. Just comb through it with the brush side. And yes, I do comb them straight up. Why? Because I don't have much there. And what I want to do is make sure that every little hair I can see. So that's the whole reason I got to turn it to the comb side. That's the whole reason that I do it in this systematic manner. Or manner. I'm just silly today. I really am. I love this product though. And I really wanted to just emphasize what a great product it is and how it works. So now my brow freeze has dried. It doesn't take that long. It really doesn't. But the first thing that I use is this one. This is the skinny one, and this one is the thicker one. So let me show you what they look like. It has a spoolie. This is the power one, and it's a little bit thicker and bigger, okay? This is the color brown, okay? This is the color dark brown. So I like to mix the two. And then this one is really skinny and tiny. You see that? So this one is the blade brow right there. And I just love it. I love it. Watch what I do with it. Now this is a micro. So I'm just going to do one brow for you so that you can see it. And then I'll finish the other one off because I don't want this to be too long. Remember now, as we age, we lose our brows pretty much. Unless you're very lucky and you didn't lose any. This also comes in a granite color, which is for silver hair. It only comes in 3 colors: dark brown, brown, and then the gray color. And so what I do is I have lost hairs here. you know, you're looking at your nose, make sure you do your nose, like contour it. That really does help. But when your brows start going away, then your nose looks wider. Go figure. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to do this side first. So what I do is I go straight up and I'm going to put a dot right there, a little tiny dot. That's where mine needs to come out. Now, it's not too bad on this side. This side is the worst. So it has to really come out a little bit more than this side. So make sure that you put your little dot where you can see it, because you're going to blend it out anyway. There. Now you can see it better. They look a little different. But this right here is my nemesis. It's the hard side. So, but this is what I do. We're going to start, and I draw lines. A lot of people don't, but I do. I like the mini micro end of this, and what I do typically is just, I know where my arch is. You make sure you go and find your arch. My arch would be right up there, and you can put a dot there too, and then you can also come over here and put a dot like that if you need to. I've done mine so much, I know how to do it. But map it out, in other words. But come to that dot that you just put right there. So there's my arch. I found it. And then I know that I can just connect to the other little dot that I made. You see the difference? You see how it's lifted? And then you start just kind of filling in with this. And this truly helps because your brows aren't going to move. They're frozen. So you can actually see where you're missing hair, which mine is right here in the very front. So I'm just kind of filling in very lightly with it. Now, I know that looks dark, but I'm matching it to my natural color hair, which is what you need to do as well. So keep that in mind. But I do use the two different colors. Now, I'm going to come through here and just kind of diffuse that line that we made because we want it to look soft. Do you see it? Look at that. Isn't that the coolest thing? And look, it still looks like hairs. And then you comb these upward. Now, you don't have to use both of the products together. You can just use the Micro Mini if you want to. But let me show you what I would do with this. This I like because it's a little thicker, fatter, but it's still at an angle. And so what I like to do with this one is come right in here and just darken that little area with it and kind of work my way through. And I don't know, this is a lot more waxy, I guess, than the other. And then I let this be for a few minutes and just let it settle. Can you see it? Isn't that awesomest? I'm telling you, this is the bomb. It is. Use your spoolie. I'm just going to go ahead for the sense of time here. And just comb it straight up, girl. Comb it straight up. Now, then you can come back and you can add a highlighter up here, underneath it, whatever you want to do. Let me get my magnification mirror and see if there's somewhere I need to touch. There is one spot that I need to touch up, but I'm going to do it with the mini one, okay? Now, if you want to do it just with the bigger one, you can. Perfect. Do it, because that's what I bought first. I didn't even know they had the Micro Minis until I went back. But right now, maybe if you walk into a Walmart, you might find these on the clearance. Go back to the makeup first. And then if your Walmart has like a clearance aisle, go over there and look too. Because that's where I found these yesterday. I'm prepared. I'm prepared. I am not going to run out of it. I was in search of it. And I'm like, okay, I have hit the jackpot today. I have. There we go. Love it. Absolutely love it. Now I'm going to go do this one off camera. And we're going to come back and we'll finish this up. It's that easy. Okay, here we are. I'm just kind of finishing this out. And what I've done is take a little bit of concealer. And I think I used the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I love it. It's a very pretty, pretty, soft look. And I just basically tap a little bit and I just blend this out with my finger. Pretty much, that's it. Now, one thing I do love, you can still use a concealer if you want to, but I do love this little dual-ended by NYX. It is a Wonder pencil, but it's definitely for coming right up underneath here. Now, one side is shiny and one side is matte. So I prefer using the matte. So sometimes I have to put it on my hand here just so that I can see which one is shiny and which one is not. Okay, this is not the shiny. And just come underneath and just draw a nice little line. Very thin. That's what I love about this. Now, I've already cleaned up the top with a little bit of concealer. But this is kind of like concealer, but it's actually for your underbrow, just like this. And if you want the shine, girl, go for it. Get that shine. I just love these brows. I do. I just think they're so darn pretty when you get done with them. They just look so natural to me. And then a lot of times I'll come back and I'll just kind of take my little spoolie and just comb through it just a tad. And if you need any touch-ups, sometimes I get the concealer and I mess it up and I have to fix it. I ain't perfect. By no means. I am not. So, like right there, I'm going to have to come right here and just fill in little tiny. That's why I like this Micro Mini. Because you can come back. You can throw this in your purse. And if you need to touch it up for any reason, girlfriend, you got it. I love these products. I can't believe they're $1.50, you know, in Walmart. I just can't. But, I mean, even at $6, you know, on their website. That's insane, isn't it? You know, that something this good and lasts all day and looks so natural. I just love them. Love them, love them, love them. I do. So, please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I would love it if you come and hang out with me. And let me know if you try this. Go get these products. I think you'll love them. Absolutely love them. Because when you first put them on, you're going to go, ooh, that's mighty dark. But then when you start blending them out, it looks just like normal hair. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to go hang out with my hubby for the day, and I hope y'all have a fabulous rest of the weekend whenever you're watching this. So, I'll see you soon. Let me know if you try it. See you later.